to the first video of Everything Design. We want to start this video series with a simple tutorial on how to create stunning gradient effects with the Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. We will show you how to create gradient effects like this one. Let's duplicate this artboard and we will start our customized gradient rectangle. We can now add a rectangle and add any color. Let's go with this one. Now we can select the Mesh tool in the tool panel, and as you can see, we can choose any part of the rectangle and add any color that we want, like this. I am adding different spots with different colors. The good part is that we can control and customize the color and the gradients in the rectangle. Let's adjust this one. Also, we can adjust how the gradient flows in the rectangle by moving the mesh handles, as you can see. At this point, you can just be creative and explore all the colors and gradients to amazing effects. Feel free and explore. I hope this can be helpful to you. Thank you. If you liked this video, please click on the subscribe button to see all the upcoming videos just for you. Bye. See you soon.